G'day guys, this is Broc Feeney and this is More Than a Sticker. In this new series, we're going to take you behind the scenes and show us what our partners provide for us as a team. Today we're here with GM. We're going to show you everything that they do for our team along with all of our other partners. GMSV supply us with the best in the business. AC Delco make sure our cars are in pristine condition when we get to the racetrack and also when we're back in the workshop. GM's come on board with our new Gen 3 product. We're bringing in the Camaro for 2023. It's going to be amazing. The cars look fantastic. GM have got a massive involvement with us in building this new project along with 888 Race Engineering. When the engineers aren't at the track, they're back at home base here, working all hours on this new Gen 3 along with GM. There's been a massive effort in over the past 18 months to get this Gen 3 up and running. We're currently in testing phases at the moment, developing and always changing. So, the guys upstairs here are working overtime to make sure we get on track next year. GMSV also provide us with apprentices to come to our supercars rounds, gain a lot of experience and see what it's like in a supercar team. They come and help out with the tyres, cleaning the garage, doing all the fun jobs. But it's a great experience for those guys, as well it's a great advantage for us to have an extra person in the team for the weekend. And lastly, the sticker on the car looks pretty awesome. Hopefully it looks good for the guys behind us.